Hey everybody! So in this video we're going to be working with double angle identities involving tangent. So this problem says if tangent of A is 72 over 65 and angle A lies in the third quadrant, find the exact value of the following. So they want us to find the exact value of tangent of twice the size of this angle. So here our ratio is 72 over 65, and that involves tangent. So we know 72 is going to be the opposite and that 65 is going to be the adjacent. Now, one thing you have to remember, we're in the third quadrant. So that means that this x value and this y value should both be negative. So here I'll make them negative like so. And tangent would still be positive because we know tangent is sine over cosine, and negative 72 over negative 65 would give me a positive ratio. So in our double angle identity here, we only use tangent. So there's no need to use Pythagorean's theorem to find the hypotenuse here. What we'll go ahead and do is use 72 over 65 in this problem here. So we have 2 times 72 over 65 and 1 minus 72 over 65 quantity squared. So when we work this out, 2 times 72 is going to give us 144 over 65. And then when I square 72 and 65, I get 5,184 all over 4,225. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this division problem here. I'm going to write it out old school. So we have 144 over 65 divided by, now what I did was I said 1 minus this fraction here, and then that gave me the 959 all over 4,225. So the reason I like to write this old school is because it's really clear to see it now how you can keep the first, change this to multiply, and then flip the second fraction. So I'll go ahead and do that here. Now, one thing that may help is to simplify where you can. 144 and 959 won't simplify at all, but 65 can go into 4,225, and that would reduce to 65 here. So it's just going to make the multiplying a little bit easier, because now I can say 144 times 65 all over 1 times 959. And that's going to give us negative 9,360 all over 959. So if I took the value of this angle and then I doubled it, tangent of that doubled angle would be this ratio. All right, that's going to be all for this example. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.